Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Sujit's Chem Biotech. In this video, I solved some numericals of chemical kinetics which came in previous year West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination. If you like this type of video, then please subscribe my channel and comments and share and like of the video. Now, in the topics of numerical chemical kinetics, it is seen that in every year of joint entrance examination, one or two questions of this chapter came in this West Bengal joint entrance examination. Now, my first question is, for a reaction 2A plus B, arrow P, when concentration of B is doubled, then T half does not change. And when concentration of both A and B is doubled, reaction rate increased by a factor of 4. Then unit of rate constant is the following 4 option. Now, here for this yes we can write reaction rate R is equal to K into A to the power alpha into B to the power beta, where alpha order of the reaction with respect to A and beta order of the reaction with respect to B, and K is rate constant. For the first observation, when B is doubled, T half does not change. Now we know T half does not change, that means reaction rate does not change. So for the first observation, reaction rate R is equal to K into molar concentration of A to the power alpha and molar concentration 2B to the power beta, equation 2. And for third observation, when A and B are both doubled, reaction increased by a factor of 4. So 4R is equal to K into molar concentration of 2A to the power alpha into molar concentration of 2B to the power beta. Dividing equation 2 by 1, we get beta is equal to 0, and dividing equation 3 by 2, we get alpha is equal to 2. So reaction rate is equal to K into molar concentration A to the power 2 into B to the power 0. So it is second order reaction. So unit of K is liter mole inverse second inverse. So option B is the correct one. My next question is, at 298 Kelvin temperature, the following first order reaction A and B, where initial concentration of A and B are equal. In first reaction, values of K is 0.693 minute inverse, and the second reaction A to C, T half is 0.693 minute. Identify the correct statement. First reaction is faster than second reaction. Option 2, first reaction is slower than second reaction. Option 3, first and second reaction have same rate. Option 4, since product are different, so rate of the reaction cannot be comparable. This question came in West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination 2019. Now from the question, it is seen that from equation 1, K is 0.693 minute inverse, and for equation B, T half is given 0.693 minutes, so K is 1 minute inverse. So for the reaction B, K is higher, 1 minute inverse, and for reaction A, K is lower. So since K is higher in reaction B, so reaction B is faster and reaction A is slower. Since K is less, in equation A, K is less, so reaction is slower. In reaction B, K is high, so reaction is faster. So option B is right one. First reaction is slower than the second reaction. Next question is, half-life time of iodine 53-125 is 60 days. The remaining values of radioactivity of the compound is, the remaining values of radioactivity after 180 days of the compound is 25%, 12.5%, 33.3% and 3%. This question also came West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination 2019. Now we know T half is equal to 0.693 by K. So K is 0.693 by T half, that means 0.693 by 60 days inverse. Again we know K is equal to 2.303 by T log of A by A minus X. Putting the values of K and T 180 days, we get the values of X is 87.5. That means 87.5 iodine lost its radioactivity. That means 12.5 iodine have radioactivity. So option B is the right one. The next question is at 300 Kelvin temperature, the following graph is obtained for A arrow P reaction. Calculate order and rate constant K of the reaction. These are four options: A n is equal to 0, B n is equal to half, C n is equal to 1, D n is equal to 2, and the given for the values of K. Where time given in minute inverse unit, concentration given in mole per dm cube unit, decimeter cube unit. Now the following graph is root over R0 versus concentration of A0, initial concentration of A passing through the origin. If a straight line passing through the origin, then we can write this straight line having equation y equal to mx. Now in this straight line having slope is 4. So we can write from the graph y, instead of y we write root over R0 is equal to m into, instead of x we write molar concentration of A0 whole square. In both sides we get R0 is equal to m square into concentration A0 whole square. Now here m is 4, value of slope is 4, so R0 is equal to 16 into molar concentration A0 whole square is equal to K dash into molar concentration A0 whole square. Now we know unit of R0 is equal to concentration over time, concentration divided by time, that means mole decimeter to the power minus 3 minute inverse, and concentration unit of A0 is equal to mole decimeter to the minus 3. Putting all this unit in this equation, we get mole decimeter to the power minus 3 minute inverse is equal to K dash into mole decimeter to the minus 3 whole square. So unit of K is decimeter cube mole inverse minute inverse. We know common unit of rate constant is, general formula of unit of K is mole decimeter to the power minus 3 whole to the power 1 minus 10 minute inverse. Putting n is equal to 2, we get the values of unit of K is decimeter to the power cube mole to the power minus 1 minute inverse. So this unit indicates the values of K dash, unit of K dash. So order of the reaction is 2 and values of rate constant K dash is 16 decimeter cube mole inverse minute inverse. So option D is the correct one. My next question is half-life time for 6C14 is 5760 years. For a 200 mg sample of 6C14, time taken to change to 25 mg is the following four options. My next question is, which of the following statements is not true for the above energy profile diagram? First option, product is very stable than reactant. Now it is seen that energy of reactant is higher than the energy of product. Since energy of product is less than the energy of reactant, so product is stable. So option 1 is the correct statement. Option 2 is, second step is RDS is RDS. Now in first step, first DS, the active energy is EA1, and in second step active energy is EA2. EA2. Now it is seen from the graph that EA2 is less than that of EA1. So second step is faster one. Second step is faster, and first step is slower. So in option 2, second step is faster reaction, not RDS. So option 2 statements is false statement, and according to question it is not true. So option 2 is the right option one. Now in third option, reaction is exothermic. Since energy of product is less than that of reactant, so reaction is exothermic. So option 3 is correct one, correct statement. Option 1, option 3 correct statement. Now option 4, value of equilibrium constant is 1, then molar entropy value is negligible. That means value of K is 1 when condition molar entropy value is negligible. Let us see, we know for this reaction triangle del H is equal to negative. We know del G is equal to del H minus T del S. If del S is 0, then del G is negative value. Again we know del G is equal to del G0 minus RT ln Q. At equilibrium, K becomes Q and del G becomes 0. So 0 is equal to del G0 minus RT ln K. When K greater than 1, then del G0 is negative. So values of equilibrium constant when 1, then molar entropy value is negligible. So option 2 is the correct option and it is a wrong statement. So for this question, option 2 is right. My next question is 32 minutes time required for 75% completion of a first order reaction. Calculate the 50% time required for 50% completion of this reaction. That means calculation of T half. Now we know K is equal to 2.303 by T log of A by A minus X. Here T is 32 minutes and X is 75. A is 100. Putting all the term, we get the values of K is 0.0433 minute inverse. Now 50% completion means T half. T half is equal to 0.693 by K. Putting the values of K, we get T half is 16 minutes. So option B is the right one. For the reaction A plus 2B arrow C, the reaction rate is doubled if concentration of A is doubled. If the reaction rate increases by 4 times, when concentration of both A and B are increased by 4 times, the order of reaction is option A 3, option 2 0, option C 1, option D 2. Now for this reaction we can write rate is equal to K into molar concentration of A to the power alpha and B to the power beta, where alpha is the order with respect to A and beta is the order with respect to B. From the first observation, the rate become double, that means 2R is equal to K into, when molar concentration of A is double, that means molar concentration of 2A to the power alpha and B to the power beta, equation 2. And reaction increases 4 times, that is 4R is equal to K into, when concentration of both A and B are increased by 4 times, K into 4A to the power alpha and 4B to the power beta. We get the following 3 equations. Now, when we divide equation 2 by 1, we get values of alpha is equal to 1. And when we divide equation 3 by 2, then we get beta is equal to 0. So rate becomes R is equal to K into molar concentration of A to the power 1 into B to the power 0. So this is the first order reaction. So option C is right, first order reaction. My next question is the rate of a certain reaction is given by rate is equal to K into molar concentration of H plus whole to the power n. The rate increases 100 times when pH of the solution changes from 3 to 1. Then what will be the order of the reaction? Now we know at pH 3 rate R1 is equal to K into molar concentration of H plus whole to the power n. So R1 is equal to K into 10 to the power minus 3 whole to the power n. But at pH 3 molar concentration of H plus is 10 to the power minus 3 gram per liter. Similarly at pH 1 R2 is equal to K into molar concentration of H plus whole to the power n. So R2 is equal to K into 10 to the power minus 1 whole to the power n. Dividing equation 1 by 2, we get the values of n, which is 1. So reaction is first order in nature. This is my video where I solve joint entrance examination question paper of the chapter chemical kinetics. I solved in this video 2014 to 2020 previous year question of West Bengal joint entrance examination. If you like this type of video, then please subscribe my channel and put the bell icon and like and share comments on this video. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.